Okay, so we've got a 2010 Ford Falcon XR6 luxury. Got the premium pack, leather, premium sound. It's got the tow bar there as well. Ego grey is the colour, spoiler, alloy wheels. The vehicle presents in pretty good condition though. Very nice indeed. Take a look at the interior. So you've got your multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth for your telephone. There's your kilometres there, only 94,000. So it's done about 9,000 kilometres a year. There's your big screen there, dual zone climate air conditioning, automatic transmission. The leather interior, driver's seat in excellent condition, as is the front passenger seat. And your back seat there like it's never been sat in. Take a look in the boot. Set of floor mats there as well. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.